पार्ट 2 को लेके चलेंगे। मेजरमेंट के एमसीक्यूज हमने स्टार्ट किए हुए थे। 51 एमसीक्यूज इन सीजीएस सिस्टम द यूनिट्स ऑफ डायनेमिक वेलोसिटी आर। राइट आंसर इज बी, poise. Question number 52. One poise is equal to both A and B. Question number 53. The dimensions of 1 over mu naught epsilon naught under root r. This is equal to C, speed of light, so that's why dimensions will be the lt minus 1a. Question number 54. The dimensions m lt minus 2 refer to the quantity. Right answer is force. This is the dimension of force. Question number 55. 1 second. So in this question 1 second will call in years. 3.1 10 raised to the power minus 8 years. Question number 56. The dimensions m lt minus 1 refer to the quantity momentum. Question number 57. 1 light year, this is equal to 9.5 10 raised to the power 15 meter. Question number 58. 1 years is equal to 3.1536 10 raised to the power 7 seconds is the right answer. Question number 59. The dimensions m l square t minus 2 refer to the quantity. Right answer is both A and C. D is the right answer. Question number 60. The dimensions of the Young modulus are. Right answer is m l minus 1 t minus 2. Question number 61. The dimensions of the force constant are. Right answer is D, m l naught t minus 2. D is the right answer. Question number 62. The dimensions m l t minus 1 refer to the quantity. Right answer is both B and C. Next, question number 64. The units of the modulus of elasticity are. Right answer is Newton per meter square is the right answer. Question number 65. A student added 3 figures 72.1, 3.32, 0.003. These 3 digits figures are added. A student. The correct answer regarding the rules of the addition of the significant figures will be the right answer is 75.4 will be the right answer. Next, question number 66. The sum of the 3 numbers 2.7543, 4.10, 1.273 up to the correct decimal place. Right answer will be the 8.1313 B. Next, 67. Femto means 10 raised to the power minus 15. Question number 68. Kilowatt per meter square is the unit of the intensity. C is the right answer. Question number 69. In SI system, the correct unit of the amount of substance is mole. Question number 70. The correct unit of the electric current in SI system is. Right answer is ampere is the right answer. Question number next 71. The correct unit of velocity in SI system is meter square per second. सॉरी, वेलोसिटी नहीं है, ये विस्कोसिटी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 72. स्टेट द फिजिकल क्वांटिटी रिप्रेजेंट बाय द m l t minus 3 पर थीटा माइनस 1. फिर थीटा रिप्रेजेंट द यूनिट टेम्परेचर. थीटा यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, तो दिस इज़ द यहाँ पे थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी. Question number next 73. The unit of the luminous flux is. Right answer is lumen. B is the right answer. Question number 74. In MKS, unit of the pressure is. Right answer is Pascal. Next, question number 75. 1 Pascal in SI system international is equal to the 1 Newton meter square. 76. Which one is the commercial unit of electrical energy? Right answer is D, kilowatt hour. Question number 77. 1 Fermi is equal to. Right answer is 10 raised to the power minus 15 meter. Question number 78. Choose the physical quantity which is the not defined in the term of force per unit area. Strain. Question number 79. A pressure of 10 raised to the power 6 dynes per centimeter square in CGS is equivalent to dash in MKS. Right answer is 10 raised to the power 5 Newton per meter square is the right answer. Question number 80. Given the density of wood is 0.5 gram meter per cc in the CGS system of the units, it is the value in MKS units is given by the 500. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की बात करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 81. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डायमेंशनली करेक्ट? राइट आंसर इज सी. प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू फोर्स per unit area. Question number 82. Dimensions ML-3 T naught refer to the density. Question number 83. Dimensions of the surface tension are, right answer is MT-2. Next question number 84. Dimensions IT refers to the electric charge. Question number 85. The dimensions of the Planck's constant are. प्लांक्स कांस्टेंट का यूनिट होता है जाउल सेकंड, सो डिमेंशंस विल बी द MT-1 L स्क्वायर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 86. डिमेंशंस ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स आर. राइट आंसर इज बोथ A B. क्वेश्चन नंबर 87. विच एक्सप्रेशन कुड बी करेक्ट फॉर द वेलोसिटी ऑफ ओशन waves in the term of density of the sea water, G is the acceleration due to gravity, the H is the depth of the ocean, lambda is the wavelength. Right answer will be the GI under root. Next question number 88. The time interval between the two heartbeat is of the order of 10⁻⁻1 second. Question number 89. Which of the following is the smallest unit? Fermi is the smallest unit. Question number 90. The dimensional formula of the couple is MLT-2 A. Question number 91. Two physical quantities of which one is a vector and the other is scalar having the same dimensions are. So two physical quantities, torque and work. D is the right answer. Question number 92. Which of the following is not equal to watt? Right answer is ampere over volt. Question number 93. Solid angle suspended at the center by the sphere is 6 pi. सॉरी, इसको करेक्ट कर लीजिएगा. इसका राइट आंसर आई थिंक बी है. नेक्स्ट 94 क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज़ not been expressed in the suitable units? Right answer is energy is equal to kilogram meter per second. Next question number 95. The ratio of the dimensions of the Planck's constant and that of the moment of inertia is in the dimensions of. Right answer is time per second square. Question number 96. Consider of the following statements about the dimensions. P is equal to force is equal to acceleration due to gravity multiplied by mass. Q is equal to electric charge is equal to current multiplied by time. R refer to the magnetic flux is equal to electric voltage multiplied by time. So right answer is Q R only right answer. This is the right answer, C. Question number 98. If y is equal to a plus bt plus ct square, where y in the meter and the t in the second, the unit of the b will be the meter per second square. D is the right answer. Question number 99. Let q denote the charge on the plate of the capacitor of the capacitance C. The dimensional formula for the q square over c is the same as the all of the above. Question number 100. Linear momentum and angular momentum have the same dimensions in mass, length and time. D is the right answer. Question number 101. इसका आंसर आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बताइएगा, या क्वेश्चन नंबर 102 का भी आंसर आपने बताना है. Question number 103. The dimensions of the quantity is one of the following pair are the same identity pair. Right answer is light year is the distance and wavelength in the distance. So both unit have the meter. So dimensions D is the right answer will be the same. All the best. Take care.